SpiceJet Limited plans to replace its older Boeing 737-800NG aircraft with more fuel-efficient Boeing 737 MAX jets by 2022 to get 737 MAX planes in rapidly. Currently, the airlines has 13 737 MAX jets. Singh said that the carrier would get its 14th 737 MAX plane by December 10th and 3 more in subsequent months. SpiceJet purchased 205 Boeing 737 MAX jets in 2017 and 155 firm and 50 options. The 737 MAX jets were grounded in 2019 after 2 catastrophic accidents. Boeing reinstated the jet to operation in the US and Europe last year, and the Indian regulator approved its return in August. Since December 2020, the aircraft has logged around 311,000 hours. The other 737 MAX operator is Akasa Air, an Indian low-cost carrier funded by billionaire businessman Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Earlier this month, the airlines ordered 72 Boeing 737 MAX planes. Singh said SpiceJet intends to split its cargo and logistics unit by January 2022. A Boeing 737 MAX will be used to boost SpiceJet's overseas operation. The airlines has resumed flights to Dubai and wants to expand to Hong Kong and Saudi Arabia. Commercial international flights are now prohibited with the exception of Air Bubble Agreement. India has bilateral agreements to fly to almost 30 nations. We hope the recent increase in passenger demand is sustainable. Although SpiceJet does not travel to Europe, the industry is concerned about the surge in active cases, Singh said.
We will induct these 13 aircraft over the next 30 days or so. And as you know, we placed an order for 155 aircraft and 50 options. So those aircraft will also start to be delivered from December. So our plan is to replace our old and inefficient aircraft with the MAX, and this is going to be the backbone of the fleet. From a passenger perspective, it's a great plane. It has 40% less noise. It's a quieter plane. It has much more leg room than other aircraft, and importantly also that we are going to provide broadband internet on board the plane.